Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Happy Monday. Today I thought it would be the perfect rainy day to sit down and talk to you guys about some fall newness. If you guys didn't know, I love fall. I love everything about this season. It is my absolute favorite time of the year. I just moved here to Tampa, Florida from Maine. I was born and raised my whole life in Maine. This is my first year in Tampa and I'm so sad that there's no seasons here. So today we're gonna get in the fall mood. I'm wearing my Hocus Pocus hoodie for the occasion. And we're gonna take a look on Ulta Beauty's app to see some of the new fall releases because they're slowly rolling out and I'm very excited about all of them. Let's start with everyone's favorite, you guys. We have new launches from Tree Hut. If you guys haven't tried Tree Hut, you're living under a rock. This is like my favorite body care brand ever. They recently expanded their line, so they're making body washes now and I love them so much. This fall, they have a couple of different scents that I'm really intrigued by, and the couple that stand out to me are the apple macchiato scent. And then of course they also have the classic pumpkin spice latte scent. I have seen this one in the body wash as well. I definitely will be picking this up once I run out of my body wash. Sticking with the trend of body care, we're going to talk about Hemp's because Hemp's always comes out with the best seasonal launches. This season they came out with a limited edition pumpkin spice and vanilla chai herbal body moisturizer. I tend to really like these moisturizers. They're super lightweight on the skin, but they do a really good job of hydrating. The scents that they come out with I find are pretty unique versus other brands. They have some really good scent combinations. I am a huge pumpkin girly and I am a huge vanilla girl as well, so I am so excited to get my hands on this and to smell it because I already know it's going to put me right in the fall mood. They also have this in a sugar scrub, a hand cream, and a lip balm. So if you want the whole set, they have a whole collection for you if that's what you're interested in. I want it all. Similarly, they also have their apple cider and nutmeg scent, which also I'm really loving the apple scents. I think they smell so much like fall. It just reminds me of apple picking and not so much of like Halloween. So for early fall, I really love apple, but of course I love pumpkin throughout the whole season. Dipping into a little bit of skincare and makeup, Ulta came out with this Conscious Beauty Fall Favorites Discovery Kit. They tend to come out with these as the seasons change. They usually Chance! Sorry if you can hear my cat crying. He's being super clingy today. So these aren't necessarily going to be like fall scented or like anything seasonal like as far as that goes. I don't really know how to explain it. This kit has an Ulta Beauty lip gloss, Indie Lee brightening cream, Fluffy G, foamy glazy hair gloss, Bliss pre and post biotics barrier aid. That looks like a cream, I think. Juice Beauty green apple brightening gel cleanser, the Good Genes lactic acid from Sunday Riley, Florence by Mills floating under the eyes depuffing under eye gel patches. Looks like either a Well People mascara or brow gel, and then we have the Live tinted moisturizer, About Face eyeshadow, Smooth Affair by Jane Iredale. They all come in this adorable little bag. Like I said, this isn't going to be necessarily fall themed, but these are just some intro products to get you into trying out different brands. If you're into something like that, these discovery kits are always such a really good value. And this one retails for $40. When it comes to makeup launches in the fall time, Buxom for me is always one that I'm super excited for. I love Buxom products in general, but their lip products are some of my favorite ever. They always come out with the prettiest colors during the fall and they have them scented so beautifully and they're just like perfect for the season. This year it looks like they came out with a Keep It Spicy Full-On Plumping Lip Polish in the color Daisy Donut. This is an Ulta exclusive. This color looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm sure this smells like donuts because like I said, they always scent their products to match the names for fall and it's so good. Also came out with the Keep It Spicy Full-On Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Pumpkin Pie Latte, which is obviously perfect for the season. I'm also so into the packaging of these, you guys. I think that they are so pretty. It's like this coppery gold embellishments on them. It's the same old Buxom packaging, but for me, it really puts me into the fall mood. I also really like the color story of these two products. I think you could use them together beautifully. The lip polish is a little bit more of a warmer toned gold shimmer, whereas the lip polish is more of that warm toned brown kind of flat lip cream. But I think together they would create the perfect fall lip, and I love both of these formulas just the same. Last week at work, I actually was resetting all of the Ulta Beauty wall for our Sunday resets, and I came across these cute little kits. These are a 4-piece makeup kit. They came out with 3 different scents / shades for fall. They have the Coffee Break 4-piece makeup set, the At the Orchard, which is apple, and Under the Stars, which is marshmallow. They all come with 4 pieces. They come with an eyeshadow palette, 2 lip products, and a highlighter stick. This is the color scheme of the Coffee Break one, and these are all scented like coffee as well, which I think is so perfect. This one, you get this brown nude lip liner along with a matte liquid lipstick in this really gorgeous nude shade. And you also get a highlight stick. This is like a champagne-y gold color, which I think also looks really nice. I haven't tried much from the Ulta Beauty collection, but these look super, super cute, and I would definitely be interested in trying them. The testers swatched on the back of my hand felt so pretty. Next we have At the Orchard. This one is apple scented and apple themed, which I absolutely love. It's so cute for like September vibes. You of course get the eyeshadow palette, and this one comes with a red lip liner, a more winey red lip lacquer. This one also comes with the glazed donut highlighting stick for the face. And these all look so pretty. The highlight stick on this one looks more of like that pinky champagne tone, which I think is so stunning. I haven't tried the formula of those highlight sticks, and I'm very interested to see if they would break up my makeup at all. Next we have the Under the Stars kit. This one is marshmallow themed. It of course, again, comes with the eyeshadow palette. This is the kicker, because when I was testing out these testers, this one says it comes with a brown lip liner, which is true. You get the Marshmallow Glow face stick, and then it says there's a matte liquid lipstick, and I don't know if this is a misprint on Ulta Beauty's part, but this is a gloss, like straight up a shiny gold brown gloss. So I don't know where they got matte liquid lipstick from, but it's printed on every single product. So if you're gonna order this online, just know that that is not a matte lipstick. Again, the highlight stick on this is like a really light pearly color, which looks so pretty. These kits retail for $20, which I think is a really good value since you're getting the eyeshadow palette, a lip liner, a lip product, and a highlight stick. Next, you guys, we cannot talk about fall without talking about candles. Ulta Beauty released their fall collection of candles. Pretty similar every single year when this product launches, but they do have some different scents this year that I'm super interested in trying. I also am a huge fan of the packaging this year. The black with this font looks so Halloween, and it's so cute to me. I feel like it would look so cute in my apartment. Of course, they have classic pumpkin spice. They have this one every single year. It is such a classic. It smells like fall. It's beautiful. If you love that fresh original pumpkin spice scent, this one will be perfect for you. They also have this year pistachio biscotti, which I think sounds so delicious. This smells exactly like pistachio ice cream, you guys. If you are into that nutty scent, it's so good. They also did come out with a blueberry cobbler. This one doesn't give me as much fall vibes, but I understand where they were going with it. They also have a caramel cookie one. Again, if you love that like really sweet food scented candle, this one is perfect. It smells like you're baking cookies on a cool fall day. Then we have vanilla latte. This one has a really strong coffee undertone, which if you're into that, I also feel like that is so perfect for fall. And then you also get a little bit of that vanilla scent, which I'm always a huge fan of vanilla, so I just need to own all of these candles. We have Autumn Bonfire. Again, I don't really know how to describe this one. It just smells warm and like fall and just all the feels. It's so nice. It's almost a little bit musky. And then the last one is Maple Waffle, which of course maple is such a staple in the fall time. It smells like breakfast in the morning on a cool fall day, and I am so here for it. I love food scented and sweet candles. I know they're not up everyone's alley, but for fall I feel like there's no other scent that matches really well. This is a pretty big launch this year. I feel like they have a lot more candles than they normally do in this collection. There's 8 candles total in this collection. They all retail for $20 a piece, and you know I'm so tempted to get all of them, but I probably won't. If I had to choose, my top 2 picks are definitely the pumpkin spice, because I'm just basic like that, and the pistachio biscotti, just because I've never owned a candle like this before. It is just so nutty and so sweet and warm and so good, and I need it burning in my house right now. And that is it, you guys. Sorry that today's video was a little bit of a shorter one, but I thought that I would dive in and look at the preview of what's to come for the season that's approaching. Like I said, fall is my absolute favorite. Comment down below, what is your favorite thing about fall? I'm definitely very sad to not be celebrating fall in New England this year, but we are going to be moving back to New England once my boyfriend's done with school, so fingers crossed I'll be in Salem again soon. Until next time, make sure you're subscribed down below and turn on the post notification bell so you can know every time I upload. I'm going to be uploading on Mondays and Fridays, you guys. Stay tuned for more content from me, and I will see you next time. Bye!